Alright, what's up YouTube? This is Max and Time Productions here. I got fucking unboxing here from AirSplat.com. So I'm gonna just open this up real quick. It's 14 pounds. So I got pretty much a lot of stuff, I guess you could say. Just put this on here. Watch me unbox this. Alright, we got it open. Almost. Got this side. Oh, fucking thing broke. I don't even know what this is, just found it on my desk. Alright. Here we go. We got this fucking shit in here. Looks good, looks good. Alright. Here's my paper with all my information. I don't want you to see that. So I got this MP Tactical Series rail set, so I can put a red dot sight on it. My red dot sight's right here. Alright, got this shit. I got my tactical, whatever this fucking thing's called. You know, fucking face guard. And I got two of these actually. Here's the battery. I got this one. Battery right there. Here is BBs. There are 5,000 BBs right there. And here is my my fucking MP5. So let's get this up over here real quick. Take this box off. Don't need that anymore. Open this up. Alright, so here's the gun. That's what it looks like. It's semi and full auto. I believe like part of it is metal, part of it's plastic. So here's the informational guide. What to do, what not to do. You know, just basics. Here's some of the BBs. Comes with .2 BBs, obviously. I mean, I don't know if that's that obvious or not. I'm not a fucking BB expert. Here's your like guide, I guess. Guide DVD. Got a 200 round magazine. You got two of these. These are plastic. Alright. So yeah. This is your cleaning tool that you use. And now someone would be calling me. It's blocked, so I'm not going to pick that up. I'm going to take this out right here. Ooh, this is pretty fucking heavy, not going to lie. Alright, so this is an ambidextrous gun. You can be left-handed and right-handed and use this without any problems. Right here, this is the cock. Someone's fucking calling me again, so I'm gonna not pick up since it's blocked. Right here, it's on safety, as you can see. Whoops. Sorry guys for this poor camera angle. But right here, it's safety. It's on safety right now. This is semi-automatic. This is full auto. I'm gonna just put that on safety again. Here's your sight. This is the thingamajiggy. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about since this is my first airsoft gun. But yeah, you push that back like that. Get the stock back. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is plastic right here. Metal, plastic. This is metal, stock. The insides are all metal. Yeah, guys. Keep it real. Peace out.